TutorMe. At TutorMe, we hand select our tutors to provide the best experience they can for our students.
My name is Michael.
My name is Umair Khan. My tutor was Bryant Cabrera.
Hi, my name is Abraham Shu, and I was tutored by Bryant Cabrera. He taught me JavaScript.
Hi, I'm Kevin Cuizon. My tutor was Bryant Cabrera.
My name is Brent Ahrens.
Who was your tutor?
Clayton Wang.
Who was your tutor?
Bryant Cabrera.
Tutoring has helped me identify my weaknesses in my study habits, and it's helped me to improve on those and improve on my overall grades. I got tutored in web development subjects such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
I got tutored in web development, so I got help in languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Also got tutored in math and English.
My tutor was very good at effectively presenting information and making sure I understood whatever it was that we were studying.
My tutoring experience helped me with problems that were really hard to me and really hard to understand and comprehend. And the tutor would explain it in a way that would help me understand it easier.
It was fantastic. I had a really hard time understanding the basics JavaScript, but Brian really held my hand and he thoroughly explained every step of the way. And he had some great analogies to real life that really helped me cement it.
My most memorable tutoring experience was bringing a project to my tutor and having him help me identify which parts of it were not being fully implemented, and we were able to not only correct those mistakes but avoid them going forward.
My most memorable tutoring experience was this one problem that I was stuck on for an hour, and the tutor helped me run it down in about 15 minutes and really helped me comprehend it.
My favorite experience was when he gave me an algorithm problem, which was super hard, but he was very patient and let me solve it first, questioned me every step of the way, and helped me solve it.
This tutoring experience has been wonderful because I was kind of skeptical at first about one, my ability to comprehend everything, but my tutor really dug deep and really helped me understand step by step on what I needed to work on, also what I really understood. So it was more like he was giving me encouragement while also teaching me the basics of what I really needed to know.
The most memorable experience for me was the first weekend of school when we all got up and you kind of just walked us through it each step and just made sure we got each step before we moved on to the next one, and really making sure that we had an understanding of what we were doing, not just giving us the answers, but helping lead us there through giving us the tools to learn it.
I think every moment with Bryant has been kind of a special case where I learned something new, not only about my tutor, but about myself and about the subjects that I'm working on.
I would rate my tutoring experience 5 pencils out of 5 pencils.
5 pencils out of 5, definitely.
Definitely 5 pencils.
I would rate my tutoring experience 5 pencils, 5 erasers, and 10 staplers, because it's been fantastic. Every step of the way, holding my hand and walking me through it.
You can sign up for tutoring sessions online or locally using our modern online registration system. Connect globally or locally with any of our tutors.
When in doubt, wreck that body.
Keep on rocking on.
If you fall, I will catch you.
All you need is love.
Toots on Scoots, coming to a location near you.
you.